Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to export photos from private channels on the Telegram app for PC with the newest update. If you've ever wanted to back up your channel content or save images for offline use, this method will do exactly that. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that's connected to the private channels you want to export from. Next, look at the very top left corner of the app. You'll see three small horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From here, go down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on the section called Advanced. This is where Telegram gives you more options for customizing your experience, including the export tools. Now, scroll down until you see Export Telegram Data. Go ahead and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to download and back up your information directly from Telegram. You'll notice a list of items that you can choose to export. Since we only want photos from private channels, start by checking the option labeled Private Channels. Once that's selected, scroll further down the list. Make sure to check the option for Photos. Leave the other boxes unchecked if you don't need them. Once you've got those two settings selected, it's time to move down the page and click the Export button. Telegram will then start the process of gathering your data. Depending on the size of your channels, this could take a little bit of time, so be patient while it completes the export. When the export is finished, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on that, and Telegram will open up a folder containing all of your exported files. Inside, you'll be able to find the photos from your private channels neatly organized and ready to use whenever you need them. And that's it. You've successfully exported photos from your private channels on Telegram using the updated PC version of the app. Now you can view them offline, back them up, or organize them however you want. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to try it out today and enjoy having full control of your media.